Hola amigos, I'm Omar Allibhoy and I'm here at the feasting deck in the Fish Hotel in the picturesque Cotswolds, cooking a beef skirt with an Argentinian chimichurri in the beast that is the Napoleon Prestige Pro 825. So I'm going to start with the ingredient that takes longest, which is the beef skirt. I'm just gonna season it with a little bit of salt and pepper. Well, a little bit. Generous. It has to be generous when talking about meat and seasoning. A little bit of oil. Only on one side because beef has a bit of fat. A light brush just so that it's a really thin layer and it goes straight into the barbecue. And a little bit more seasoning over the top. So that's gonna cook for 5 minutes on each side over medium heat and then 5 minutes of resting, which will allow me enough time to start with the chimichurri. I'm only using one garlic because it's huge and I'm going to be using the spices to help me grind this garlic. So a pinch of oregano, a generous pinch of chili flakes, depending on your liking obviously, and the cumin seeds. Our meat is seared to perfection. It's been 5 minutes and now we just need to flip sides. I'm going to finely chop the shallot into the pesto. And we're going to do exactly the same with the flat leaf parsley. And to make the most of this lime, I recommend you to roll it between your hands and the chopping board, and this will allow us to extract as much juice as possible. A bit more seasoning, pinch of salt, bit of freshly cracked pepper, and to finish it off, a small drizzle of sherry vinegar and good extra virgin olive oil to bring it all together. And if the timings are right, my meat should be cooked to perfection now. So I'm gonna leave it resting in the warming rack just above it. I'm going to switch off the grill, let it rest with the residual heat while I cook a few slices of bread as the grid is still very, very hot. A generous drizzle of olive oil all through the bread. Then I will be seasoning it with a bit of salt and a rub of garlic. And while the bread toasts and the meat rest, I'm going to wipe this down and prepare to serve. And it's time to wake up this meat from its siesta. As it's a very large cut of meat, I'm going to cut it into 3 manageable pieces. It has plenty of openings, and that is the good sign of a meat that is going to be very, very tender. And to finish it off, we're going to drizzle a little bit of this beautiful chimichurri. Looking fantastic. And it's amazing in Argentina, they get together to eat from the barbecue. But it's not just coming at 2 p.m. with a table set, ready to eat. They join together to set that table, to cook together, to prepare the fire. It's such an event, it's lovely, and has really inspired me to cook this grilled beef skirt with chimichurri. Hope you enjoy it. Buen provecho.